So for CPA firms, what I've seen the most are opportunities for productivity, automation, especially, and integration between the systems. So the biggest issues that I've seen are a lot of manual work, like using Excel spreadsheets that aren't tied into the other systems, lack of workflow automation. So a lot of temporary solutions put in place, to see where things stand, and a lot of limitations as far as how to get information from one place to another. So a lot of disconnects there. So I think with accounting firms in particular, finding that solution that integrates them or integrates the whole experience from the proposal piece of bringing in the client at the beginning of the engagement all the way through the actual process until the completion, and having that all in a centralized solution, or as much as possible, so it's not in a bunch of different places. Then that adds a lot of efficiency and eliminates a lot of the frustration as well.